If you're living with kidney disease, every bite counts, especially when it comes to fish. But here's the truth, not all fish are created equal when it comes to lowering creatinine, protecting your kidneys, and supporting your heart and blood pressure. In today's video, we'll explore the top 3 best fish for kidney patients, carefully chosen for their low phosphorus, gentle protein, and nutrient profile that can actually help your kidneys, not harm them. If you've been unsure what's safe to eat or you're tired of bland, joyless meals, stay tuned. These fish aren't just kidney safe, they're delicious, healing, and packed with hope. Let's start with number 1, cod. At first glance, cod might look like a plain white fillet. But for someone with kidney disease, it can be a quiet powerhouse. Cod isn't just another protein source, it's a gentle, kidney-friendly food that fuels your body without overloading it with phosphorus, potassium, or sodium. In a simple 3-ounce cooked serving, cod delivers nearly 20 grams of clean, low-fat protein, exactly what patients need to maintain or rebuild muscle without triggering excess urea production. This protein is high biological value, meaning your body absorbs and uses it efficiently, which is vital if you're showing signs of protein energy wasting like weakness, weight loss, or slow wound healing. It's also light on fat, less than 1 gram, and calories, about 90 per serving, helping reduce the risk of high cholesterol, fluid retention, and heart complications, common issues as CKD progresses. One of cod's greatest strengths? Its low phosphorus content, about 150 milligrams per serving, and much of it is bound in the flesh, making it less absorbable and gentler on your phosphorus levels. This helps prevent itchy skin, artery calcification, bone loss, and dangerous spikes in parathyroid hormone. Cod's potassium is moderate, around 440 milligrams per serving. While that might sound high, it's very manageable when eaten in the right portion and paired with low-potassium vegetables like cauliflower, zucchini, or cabbage. For dialysis patients or those with unstable potassium, labs should guide intake, but for most people, cod stays within a safe range. On top of that, cod brings B12, choline, and selenium nutrients that support nerve health, mental clarity, liver function, and antioxidant defense. You'll also get about 0.22 grams of DHA and EPA omega-3 fats to calm vascular inflammation, help blood pressure, and protect blood vessels. While cod isn't as omega-3 rich as salmon, its lower fat makes it a better fit for patients who need to limit lipids or manage fluid retention, heart failure, or peritoneal dialysis shifts. Every nutrient in cod works quietly to keep your body steady, nourished, and protected without making your kidneys pay the price. Now, let's talk about using cod the right way, because even the healthiest food can turn harmful if prepared poorly. Skip frying, blackening, or charring at high heat. These methods create AGEs, advanced glycation end products, which quietly fuel inflammation, damage tiny blood vessels, and worsen insulin resistance. For CKD patients already carrying a heavy oxidative burden, gentle cooking makes a big difference. Baking, steaming, or poaching keeps cod's nutrients intact while avoiding unnecessary stress on your kidneys. Seasoning matters just as much as cooking. Many spice blends and marinades hide sodium, potassium chloride, or phosphate additives that can quietly undo your progress. Stick to fresh herbs, lemon, garlic, or salt-free blends. Portion control is key. For most people in CKD stages 1 to 4, 3 to 4 ounces of cod, 2 to 3 times a week is a safe, effective range. Dialysis patients may need more protein, but increases should always be guided by a dietitian to avoid nitrogen overload or fluid shifts. Too much cod, even clean, well-cooked cod, can push urea levels up, leading to fatigue, itchiness, or a metallic taste. Moderation keeps cod a healing food instead of a hidden problem. To make cod feel like a luxury while staying kidney-friendly, here are 3 gourmet-style ideas. Cod and herb zucchini parcel: wrap cod in parchment with zucchini ribbons, lemon zest, thyme, and a drizzle of olive oil. Bake or steam until flaky. Gentle, moist, and ideal for low appetite, gastroparesis, or post-dialysis fatigue. Cod and cauliflower puree bowl: lightly pan-sear cod and garlic and parsley, then serve over creamy cauliflower mash blended with unsweetened almond milk. Balances blood sugar, controls phosphorus, and soothes digestion. Refreshing cod cucumber salad: flake chilled cod and mix with diced cucumber, lemon juice, fresh dill, and olive oil. Light, hydrating, and perfect for sodium control in warm weather or after dialysis. Cod isn't just a fish, it's a quiet partner in healing, supporting your kidneys, muscles, and heart without pushing your body into crisis. When you prepare it with care, eat it in safe portions, and pair it with kidney-friendly sides, every bite becomes an act of nourishment. And if cod gives you hope for healing through food, wait until you meet tilapia, another gentle powerhouse that's just as easy to love. Now, let's dive into tilapia. Tilapia might not have the fame of salmon or tuna, but for people with kidney disease, it's a gentle, reliable choice that nourishes the body without straining fragile kidneys. Its mild flavor hides a powerhouse of high-quality protein, easily absorbed and efficient, helping you maintain muscle, repair tissue, and strengthen immunity without flooding your blood with excess waste like creatinine. In a 3-ounce cooked portion, tilapia delivers about 21 grams of lean protein with minimal saturated fat and cholesterol, critical for kidney patients who face higher risks of heart disease and vascular damage. At just 90 to 100 calories per serving, it supports healthy weight and fluid control, 2 common challenges in CKD. Phosphorus, a mineral that often builds up in CKD, is modest here at 170 milligrams per serving, mostly in an organic form that's less readily absorbed. This helps protect bones, muscles, and arteries from the damage caused by high phosphorus levels. Potassium is also moderate, around 380 milligrams, making tilapia manageable for many kidney diets when paired with low-potassium vegetables like green beans, cabbage, or cauliflower. Still, advanced CKD and dialysis patients should adjust intake based on labs. Beyond protein and minerals, tilapia offers key micronutrients: vitamin B12 to combat anemia and nerve damage, selenium to guard kidney cells from oxidative stress, and niacin to support energy production and cellular repair. It also contains small but meaningful amounts of omega-3s, EPA and DHA, enough to help lower inflammation, improve blood vessel health, and reduce cardiovascular risk without adding excess fat. Since inflammation is a major driver of both kidney decline and heart problems, tilapia's nutrient balance makes it an ideal choice for protecting both systems at once. How you cook tilapia can make or break its kidney benefits. One of the biggest mistakes patients make is frying or grilling it over very high heat. This creates advanced glycation end products, AGEs, compounds that fuel inflammation, accelerate kidney scarring, and worsen insulin resistance, a common challenge for CKD patients. Another hidden danger? High sodium sauces and marinades. Many contain salt, phosphate preservatives, and even potassium chloride, which can quietly worsen fluid retention, raise blood pressure, and upset mineral balance. Instead, keep it simple: fresh herbs, lemon juice, garlic, and a splash of olive oil deliver flavor without putting extra strain on your kidneys. Portion control matters just as much as cooking method. For most kidney-friendly diets, 3 to 4 ounces per meal, 2 to 3 times per week is a safe range. Dialysis patients may need more protein, but this should be carefully balanced to avoid excess nitrogen and waste buildup. Too much protein, even from a clean source like tilapia, can raise urea and creatinine, leading to fatigue, itchiness, and swelling. To keep meals exciting and kidney safe, here are 3 gourmet-style recipes. Steamed tilapia with ginger and scallions. Finish with sesame oil and lemon juice for a light, soothing dish that supports blood pressure control without added salt. Baked tilapia with herb crust. Use parsley, dill, and garlic powder, served with roasted asparagus and olive oil for antioxidant support and low phosphorus impact. Tilapia and cauliflower rice bowl. Pan sear with lemon zest, then plate over garlic turmeric cauliflower rice for an anti-inflammatory boost. These recipes prove that tilapia can be both healing and delicious when prepared with intention. But the journey doesn't end here. Next, we'll meet sole, a delicate fish with benefits your kidneys will quietly thank you for. Now, let's see why this often overlooked fish deserves a place on your plate. Third, sole. Sole may be delicate in flavor, but for people living with kidney disease, it's a quiet powerhouse. This lean, flat fish delivers high-quality, gentle protein without overloading your body with sodium, phosphorus, or potassium. In CKD, where every bite matters, sole provides nourishment without adding toxic stress, helping stabilize creatinine levels and support recovery. A 3-ounce cooked portion offers about 18 grams of complete protein, essential for rebuilding tissue, preserving muscle mass, and strengthening immunity. Unlike heavier meat proteins, sole breaks down more slowly, reducing spikes in nitrogenous waste, helping prevent fatigue, brain fog, and fluid retention. It's also very light, just 80 to 90 calories, making it ideal for patients managing cholesterol, heart health, or weight. Sole's low phosphorus content, about 140 milligrams per serving, with 85% in a less absorbable organic form, helps protect bones, arteries, and hormone balance, critical for dialysis patients. Potassium sits at a moderate 300 milligrams per serving, making it safer for most kidney diets when paired with low-potassium vegetables like cauliflower mash, green beans, or white rice. Where sole truly shines is in its micronutrients. Vitamin B6 and niacin support nerve function, red blood cell production, and energy metabolism. Selenium activates antioxidant enzymes that protect kidney filtration cells from damage. Phospholipids keep cell membranes flexible and resistant to scarring. Taurine helps regulate electrolytes, blood pressure, and kidney cell recovery while reducing inflammation. Trace amounts of magnesium and calcium are present, but in safe levels that rarely disturb lab values. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, while the low calcium content minimizes vascular calcification risk. Cooking method is key. Avoid battering and pan frying in unhealthy oils, which create oxidized fats that promote inflammation and arterial stiffness. Skip salt-heavy seasonings, soy sauce, and bouillon cubes that can sneak in sodium, potassium chloride, and phosphates. Instead, season lightly with citrus zest, fresh herbs, ginger, and olive oil, and prepare by steaming, baking, or parchment wrapping to lock in nutrients. Portion guidance: for most CKD patients, 3 to 4 ounces, 2 to 3 times per week works well. Dialysis patients may safely increase intake with professional guidance to avoid protein excess. Even with a clean fish like sole, daily large portions can raise creatinine, urea, or fluid levels, signs your kidneys are working too hard. 3 kidney-friendly sole recipes to try: steamed sole parcels. Wrap fillets with lemon slices, parsley, and garlic. Bake or steam until tender for a moist, low-sodium meal. Sole and basil lemon broth. Lightly sauté, then simmer in lemon basil broth. Serve over zucchini noodles or white rice. Spinach and ricotta sole rolls. Use low-phosphorus ricotta with fresh spinach. Roll, bake, and enjoy creamy flavor without mineral overload. Sole isn't just mild, it's a therapeutic food, delivering protein and nutrients your body can use without tipping your labs into dangerous territory. When prepared gently, eaten in safe portions, and paired with kidney-friendly sides, it becomes a dish of comfort, strength, and hope, helping your kidneys thrive, bite by bite. If these kidney-friendly fish have inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe for more healing recipes and tips. Your kidneys deserve care, and every meal is a step toward better health.